Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Tower of Fantasy like not launching. And to get started, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to first check to see if there are any updates for the game, and if there are, you're just going to download them and then you're going to check to see if the game is working. However, if you have no updates and the game is not working, what you can do is forcefully close Tower of Fantasy, and you can do that by clicking Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. And then you're going to right click on Tower of Fantasy Launcher, and then you're going to click on End Task. Now once that is done, you can X out of Task Manager, or you're going to open up Tower of Fantasy again to see if the error code has been fixed. However, if the error still persists, the second method you guys can do is find Tower of Fantasy on your desktop. You're going to right click on it. You're going to go to Properties. From Properties, you're going to go to the Compatibility tab. You're going to check the Run this program as an administrator. You're going to click Apply and then OK. And then you're just basically going to open up Tower Fantasy again. Click Yes if it asks Run this program as an administrator. And that should be it. If that also does not work, the final method I can tell you guys to do is just to delete Tower of Fantasy and reinstall it. And then once you do that, just restart your PC and that should be the fix. I hope this video helped. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.